Even those these, nice. Hey YouTube, Aaron Davis here at FCP Euro, and welcome to a really quick product review. What we have here today is a 2-liter belt drive timing belt kit. It fits your B7 A4s, A3s, TTs, and TT Quattros. And this gallon of G12 coolant is not pre-mixed. You're gonna wanna mix it 50-50 with distilled water. New timing belt tensioner, new timing belt tensioner rollers, new hardware, new water pump, and a new timing belt, and also includes a timing belt sticker. It comes with a brand new water pump, and this water pump actually has metal impellers. Usually when you get them from factory, they have plastic impellers, but they're not as strong and durable as the metal. Even though these are OE parts, you can still expect the same performance and outcome as a genuine Audi. Most people do their timing belt around 75,000 to 100,000 miles, or if you're experiencing any no start or slow crank, then it's definitely time for you to do your timing belt. This has been another really quick product review. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below.